What is your what can you advise to him? Advice.
Can you advise with
More what more?
sunshine also. Sunshine and what is your
What is your advice?
best advice or
More make a wish.
maybe
Yes, make a wish.
Make a wish for them.
Yeah. What can you advise? If there's a sun, is there's a moon, like that. Yeah. Yeah. What can you advise to?
What can you recommend?
Yeah.
Foods.
Yes.
Yeah.
You should try Mexican.
Yeah, you should try matak at least. If you try matak, you're one of the
Pag natikman mo yung
being a
matak,
Greenlandic.
pwedeng ka na.
Yeah, you're a certified Greenlandic.
Malalasahan mo na yung fresh na
Yes.
sa fresh meat mo na.
How about you? What can you advise to? Yeah. Yeah. What expect the unexpected would have been expected to be expected, like that. Yeah. Yeah. What can you advise? Say that I will give you 20 kroner per.
I will take a lot of bottles here.
Yeah, like that. Can you send my bank account? Yeah.
Greenland necklace?
Oh.
Where's that?
Oh.
He will give this to you. You can take it off.
Oh, he's very so sweet. Oh, there's a necklace. How about you? Any more message?
His name is Malik.
Oh, Malik. Maliksi.
What can you say about
Yeah, to Malik. What can you advise or
I will
wish?
keep you perfume.
Oh! I thought I will give you a hug and kiss. Oh! Oh, about them. Yeah. Thank you for wonderful message. Yes, thank you. Yan, grabe. Mga pang-Greenlandic message.
Sama.
Yan.
Bigyan lang ngayon message.
Yan, message.
Happy birthday.
Yan. Mga pang-wisdom na message. Oo, yan, mga ganun.
O si Krista. Wala lang message kay Malik. Krista.
Yan.
Ay, si Krista, dito ako magbibigay ng
Ayan, si Giong. Yan.
Massage.
Wait lang, si Giong naman daw. May malupit na message si Giong.
Sino may malupit yan?
Iyon.
Happy birthday, Manix. Good health.
Pwede. Yes. Oh, yun, okay. More.
Wala akong regalo sa'yo, kaya.
Importante to. Yaka, pwede. Yun. Yun ang importante, labas dila ang matindi. Oh, mas special pala yun. Special yun. Lupit na.
O si Krista.
Iyon?
Sunshine. Sunshine yung pinaka...
Oo, medyo maraming speech siya.
Mahaba po yan.
Happy birthday.
Sabi ni Sunshine, sarap pala dito. Sabi niyo, napapasaya ako ng mga tito. Gusto mo tita. Sabi ni Sunshine.
Ayun, last.
Sige, message lang.
More good health, man. I wish your wish to be granted. Yeah. Ayan.
Masasaktan pa kami nasasaktan. Sabi ko kay tito. Kung may tito, pwede yung bahagi sa tita. Yung mga ganun, kay tito.
Make a wish. More birthdays to come. More years. And more anniversary. Mukhang naiyak na si Elred.
Naiyak na siya. Nagagawa ko ito. Ba't nag-birthday pa ako?
Alright, understood na yan. At least may yes. Long live Elred. Yeah.
Anong wish mo, Eric Pasa?
Wala akong gift, pero...
Yan, pwede, okay lang, at least may pero. Ano yung pero na yan? Pero...
Wala din pala kayo na yun.
Yan.
Wala din pala siya.
Ayun! Yeah, there's no gift, but there's a kiss.
Yung mga walang gift, anong pwede mong may ba?
Ayun.
Verbati na ba?
Pwede. At least, reconciliation. Iba yun. Huwag yun, no? Alright, salamat. Yeah.
Dapat may hug point pa. Hindi kami naniniwala pag
Sabay ko nakahawa, may sakit.
gusto mo naman magkasay, di ba? This is your moment. Birthday mo.
Ayan. O si Eled naman. Yun ang, yan. Message Eled sa kanila naman. Yung, yes, pa-thank you ka. Salamat.
They can understand.
Yeah, Eled gonna message to all of you.
My friends.
Yeah, I will go. Please vote me as president. Speech, Eled.
You start with my friends and then...
Yeah.
Their families.
Send your all bank
My
account.
friends, this is my girlfriend.
Legal na.
Yeah. Dahil, seryosong message sa kanila. Thank you for coming. Thank you for,
Just say thank you to them.
yeah, thank you for visiting.
Nandito kayo dito.
Yeah.
Set ka pa pala sa...
Maging ganyan si Jonah, may gawa na yan. Yung
Iyon.
pangalan Carlo.
Yun, si Carlo. Yung laging, pray, I love you, pray. Pray.
Masakit ako sa school.
Yun.
Ako lang pinapagasura.
It's like brother. Uy, naiyak na siya. Okay na. O, dahil dyan.
Are you happy?
Masaya.
Yun, alright.
Si Tito ko masaya. Masaya siya.
Yun.
Ano natin? Okay na.
Interview. Yun. Shut up pa. Alright, cheers. Alright, cheers.
Cheers for
Alright.
birthday.
School.
Yeah.
School.
Thank you everyone for coming.
Study first, school. Study first, school. School.